Hi, I'm James Drossel, and this is my Scrum report for June 12th, 2013. Well, we're back on track. The join tables are back, the invites work, and the friendship model works. All the tests are green. It was a little difficult to get the invites model working again, mostly because Mongoid does not have an equivalent of the has-many-through relationship. You see, you can have an invites table that references both an event and a user, but if you want to get all the events related to a user, you can't do that because Mongoid does not support join queries. However, you can query all the invites related to a user and map all the event IDs in those invites to a query on the events collection. So far, it seems to be emulating the has-many-through relationship just fine. Today, we're going to do something a little differently with the events model. Before, I had the events belong to the user's model. I had an issue when I wanted to query all the events the user had created and had been invited to. It had to be a join between all the events that the user had created and all the events that the user had been invited to. So, because the Mongoid doesn't support join queries, it seemed to be a sign of trouble ahead. So I figured, since I have the invites join table that I can add attributes to, why not set an invite status to organizer? That way I can get all the associated events from a user in a single query. If an event's organizer drops out, the organizer status could revert to somebody else in the event. But how do we create a record with an nested record already in there? Better yet, how do we test for that? I'm going to start up by using a hidden field in the events form and putting a create validation in the events model. Once that gets done, I hope to get started with the mailers. See you next time.